In this video, you will learn how to set up a Kraken account, how to become verified so that you can buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies on Kraken.com. When you're on the website, you can click on Create Account to create a new account. Here, add your email address that you would like to use. Select a username. And a password that is strong but that you can remember. Select your country of residence and click on Agree to Terms of Service and click on the I'm not a robot checkbox and create account. Add the activation key in the activation field and put in the password that you selected before. Click on the I'm not a robot checkbox and activate account. Now you will need to finish setting up your account. The first step that you have to do is get verified. So click on get verified. And here you've got different verification steps. You've got the starter with a low limit, intermediate with higher limits, and pro the highest limit. I would suggest to select the pro verification method, but there are also higher requirements. Here you can see the different requirements needed. For the starter, you've got full name, email address, primary address, and phone number. For the intermediate account, you've got occupation, government issued ID, proof of residence, and ID confirmation photo. And with the pro, you've got everything in immediate, but you also need that anti-money laundering verification and financial statements. So if you would like to buy a lot of Bitcoin, Ethereum, other cryptocurrency, then I'd suggest to go with the pro. Since there are higher requirements that you need to fulfill. For this tutorial, I would suggest that you go with the intermediate account, but if you want to trade with margin trading, then you will have to go with a pro account. So let's continue with the intermediate account. Click on get verified, give in all the information needed. As soon as you've added all the personal information, you can click on continue. In the verify step, you'll need to upload documents to verify your identity. So first step, identification. Take a picture of a driver's license or passport. Select the one that you want. So I select ID card, and here you need to upload the front side of the ID card. And then select the picture of the back side of the ID card. As soon as you've done that, both are uploaded. The second step is a picture of a proof of residence. So you need either a utility, credit card, or phone bill. I will select bank statement and I will upload that picture of a bank statement I took. And as you can see, these documents have been uploaded. I can click on continue. If you get some errors when you're uploading the documents, make sure that you have the minimum file size and also that your file is not more than 5 megabytes, and as well as that the image size is not more than 4096 pixels. If you've got one of these issues that might lead to your file being rejected, you also need to pay attention to the file type extension and make sure that it's one of these JPEG, GPG, and PNG. Make sure it's also only one of these allowed file type extensions, such as JPEG, GPG, and PNG. Click on continue to finish this verification process, and you see your intermediate account upgrade is currently pending. We will notify you when your account has been verified. That's how you set up a Kraken account, and in the next videos you will learn how you can buy Bitcoin, how you can fund your account. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.